how to install Facebook Messenger app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. So here click on Play Store app and click on search. So search Messenger. So scroll down and search. Select Messenger app from here. So if you want to install Messenger app, so click on this install icon. So after click on install, you will see Messenger app is installed. So after the process, you will see Messenger app is download and click on open. And after the process, Messenger app is showing on your app list. Go to app library and click on Messenger app. So log in your email, password. So after the process, so that's how you can install Facebook Messenger app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.